How to type chat on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can type chat on Roblox. So now let's get started. First, open up your Roblox. After you open your Roblox, you might want to chat with your friend. So just tap on your friend's profile and tap on chat. After you do so, you can just type in a chat. Now, if you don't get this option, what you'll want to do is tap on more. And after you do so, scroll down till you find settings. Tap on settings and go to privacy. After you're on privacy, just scroll down. And under communication, you will see who can message me. Now make sure that it's on friends. And you can just, select these all on friends and who can text chat with me to everyone. So after you do that, you should be able to chat. So just go back, tap on your friend's profile, tap on chat, and now you can chat. So it's that simple, guys. You can directly go to chats too. And yeah, that is all for the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.